So we are treating if statements in basic programming. If statement is a conditional statement where you decide on which operation to be done based on given condition. So for example now, we are writing a simple program that will find a discount if amount purchase in a supermarket is above 5,000 naira. Let's use amounts as amount variable, AMT. Let's use AMT to represent amounts. So amount of goods bought, let's make it, if I buy 12,000 naira goods, this 12,000 naira goods. So I want if the goods is above 12,000 naira, the system should use 5% in calculating discounts. So if it's below 5,000 naira, the system should use 2% in calculating distance. So you use the keyword if, then AMT, which the variable that represents the amount, less than, greater than, or equal to 5,000. Then what will happen? You have then statement. Then the statement that follows, it will calculate discount based on the statement that follows, which is, let's DIS represent our discounts is equal to AMT, which is the amount of goods we buy. So multiply by 5% discount, which is 5 all over, open bracket, I can put everything in bracket, 5 all over
divided
5 divided by 100. So
is it this dash I got?
That's I've calculated, divided by 100. Divided by 100. That's discount. Else, if the condition is not okay, if else, that is otherwise, if it's less than that, if this condition is true, if amount is not greater than 500, you should apply this formula. So the system will pick 1 based on the condition stated in if statement. So multiply in bracket 2 all over 100 times, divided by 2 all over 100, closing bracket. So you now end if. So that is this. So the if ended at that line. So I can now say, to know the actual amounts to be paid now, that is AMT is equal to AMT minus discounts. So I've done that. So I'll still go back to declare all the variables used in the program. print in quotes the discount is discount calculated. I want it to be printed out, which is represented with DIS. Then secondly, print in quote the amount to be paid. Amount paid if discount is removed. Which is will represent amount with AMT. So now the program has been completed, but we have not declared the variable in the program. We use variable AMT, which is dim as AMT. I want us to declare it as dim AMT, sorry. AMT as we declare it as a single. Single means number with decimal points. You can declare as single or you can declare as double. So then I will also use this. We have to declare all those variables, else we will have error will be prompted for us. Single also. What other variable do we use in the program? I think that's a variable used in the program. We make use of AMT to represent amounts. We make use of DIS to represent discounts. So let's run the program and see what is going to be our output. Good. The amount to be paid when 600 is removed from the discounts is this. So let's try to enter another figure. If you calculate it, it will give you the actual result. Then let's try to use another this. Let's change this amount to 4,000 so that it will apply 4,000. It will apply the second else. It has done it. If you calculate it, will give you the actual distance. So that's the end of the tutorial. Thank you very much.